Looking to start a profitable YouTube channel? Here are 5 lucrative niches to consider. First, personal finance and investing. Channels focusing on budgeting, investing, and financial literacy attract viewers eager to manage their money better. Advertisers in this niche often pay higher rates, making it a profitable area for content creators. For instance, Graham Stephan's channel, which offers financial advice, has garnered millions of subscribers and substantial ad revenue. Explore more at Teachable. Next, technology reviews and tutorials. With the constant release of new gadgets and software, there's a steady demand for tech reviews and how-to guides. Channels like Marks Brownlee's MKBHD provide in-depth reviews and have amassed large followings, leading to lucrative sponsorships and ad revenue. Learn more at Tasty Edits. Third, health and fitness. Content promoting healthy lifestyles, workout routines, and nutrition advice appeals to a broad audience. Channels like Blogulates offer fitness tutorials and have built strong communities, resulting in profitable merchandise sales and brand partnerships. Discover further insights at Teachable. Fourth, educational content. Tutorials and courses on various subjects, from language learning to DIY crafts, attract viewers seeking to acquire new skills. Channels like Khan Academy provide free educational content and have received significant support through donations and grants. For more information, visit Tasty Edits. Finally, beauty and fashion. Makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and skincare routines draw viewers interested in the latest trends. Channels like James Charles offer beauty tips and have secured lucrative brand deals and product lines. Learn more at Teachable. These niches offer promising opportunities for aspiring YouTube creators. For more detailed information, visit the provided links. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.